Welcome to Fred Talks. Great seeing you once again. If you like saving money, this topic is especially important for you. Today's topic is the benefits of installing a tankless water heater in your house. Most appliances have evolved over time, and one that we haven't really paid a lot of attention to is our water heater. The reason why you would like to install and the benefit of installing a tankless water heater in your home is number one, is saving money on your energy bill. With a conventional, the big tank that you have at home, that water heater right now basically it stores water inside the tank. In theory, this keeps a ready supply of hot water on hand for immediate use, but the fact is, this hot water is not being used. This is not only a waste of energy, it is also costing you extra money at the end of the month on your energy bill. A tankless is better than a conventional, and here's why. A tankless water heater does not store hot water for later use. Instead, a tankless water heater only produces hot water as needed. When you turn that faucet on, it turns on and it starts supplying hot water to you as you need it. And when you shut that faucet off, it stops running hot water and creating hot water. So there is a significant benefit automatically right then and there in saving in your electric bill or gas bill. The beauty of a tankless water heater as well is that there is no storage of water, and it's also a smaller unit, and it never runs out of hot water. So if you need a very long shower, guess what? You will not run out of hot water. The single biggest flaw I would say about a conventional tank for water heaters is that the biggest problem, it creates leaks because water is always stored inside that big tank. Eventually the bottom will start leaking and rusting out. If you have it on a pedestal or a stand, that pedestal is usually drywall in your garage or somewhere in your home with some wood beneath it. Now, if you don't notice that it's been leaking, you run a risk of having mold inside your house. Nevertheless, if it does leak, when it will at some point, it'll be a costly repair of the pedestal, and then of course, replacing that big, large water tank. With a tankless, there is no leakage, there is no pedestal, and it's only a small unit that you can locate anywhere inside or outside of your home for it to provide you only the hot water that you need when you need it. So hopefully this helps you evolve and improve your home with a tankless tank versus a conventional tank. Again, thank you for listening. Hope this helps. Loyalty, passion, results. See you next time. Have a great day.